this is what we need to write the memory block of our linker script. So we just write memory bracket and we can start with the flash. Let's paste it right here. Make sure you close the space. The length was 512 kilobytes. On the next line, we can declare the SRAM. Let's do the same, right? Origin. Okay, the first part is entry. So we are specifying the entry point, and we are also telling the linker where execution should start after the microcontroller powers on or reset. The RAM is for data storage and stack. So we are just going to point our stack to the last part of the RAM. So right here is stack, and the origin will be our SRAM. We want to point to the last part and we bring a comma. Very easy. The next block is the sections block, and this is where we map specific code and data section to their respective. Create that block. Let's call it session and open a big curly bracket like this and read only data. The vector table, which holds the interrupt and the exception handlers, is placed on top of the flash right here. The keep directive ensures that the vector session is not discarded by the linker, even if it seems unused. The dot test section, it holds the executable code, and the dot arrow data, it contains read-only data. For example, the constants that we are going to use, they are read-only. You can't change them. The data begins, it ends. Come after the curly bracket and SRAM flash, they will go to the BSS session. So let's write that .bss. At the end of the curly bracket, we are putting this in the RAM.